Hey guys, it's Lee here, and today I'm going to show you how to cook Chicken Kiev. I did an Instagram poll, and loads of people wanted to see me do a cooking video, so look over here. All we need to make Chicken Kiev is 50 grams of butter, half your average bag of parsley, chicken breast, I'm just using 2 for today, 2 eggs, half a tub of breadcrumbs, half a bowl of flour, and a garlic clove, and enough oil to cover your pan. So yeah, let's just get started. First of all, we're going to cut this butter into small cubes so it's easier to mix the garlic butter, whole blob of butter. It's really important to wash your hands before and after doing this, especially because it's chicken. We have a lot of sick people in the world at the moment, and don't need you sucking on your fingers after handling raw chicken. Add that to your garlic butter bowl. Now what you want to do is use a larger. Next, you want to finely chop your parsley. This stage can be a bit tedious, but the smaller it is, the better. I wouldn't say I'm a perfect chef, but I made some good dishes. I think I know what I'm doing. The experience. I'll show you how to do this pretty well. Also a pretty clumsy chef, so bear with me. I'm not good at being fast, but when you're at home, you don't have to be fast. You can just chill out, casually cook some good food. Just getting her nice and small. It's good. That's the garlic butter. Yeah, that's pretty small. It's a very good time to cook. Cooking is very good, you know. And yeah, we're going to do the chicken now. Before we do that, I'm just going to make the egg mix. I want egg mix, just eggs really. You know what I mean? Oh, nice clean break. Put this in the bin. I'm kind of hoping one of the shells falls in, because I can wait to oh, no, the one time I actually want. Basically, a good way to get shells out is to just use this this eggshell, just like go like that and get it out. But yeah, I guess you just have to do it yourself. And yeah, just beat your eggs till the yolks and the egg white have mixed together, basically. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take the chicken. Cut a hole in it. Well, actually, I'll just show you actually instead. Just put that in. Oh yeah, we need to do the garlic clove. Just get the garlic clove. Cut this end off. Cut this end off. Give it a peel. Throw this in the bin, you don't really want to eat this. Tastes alright. I've got a clove crusher, but this isn't a very common household item, I wouldn't say. I had to buy this from the shop, so if you don't have this, you can just finely chop the clove like I did with the parsley, so it's nice and small, the smaller the better. But I am fortunate enough to have this, so save some time. Take a knife and just love this. Nice. Let's do a bit of parsley as well. Yes, now time for the chicken. I'm only making 2. I'm gonna just use 2 for chicken tikka salad tomorrow. I won't show you that because it's pretty easy to make. It's basic, so just take your breasts out, put them on the board. Lay them out as flat as possible. Really spread them out. And what you're going to want to do is find the thickest part of the chicken. And just have a look, because what you're going to do, you have to make a little incision, but you can't go all the way because that won't work. You have to make a pocket and you can just stuff all this buttery goodness inside. So find the thickest bit, put the knife in, and make your incision. Fingers in there. Like, don't be afraid of the chicken. It's dead. It's not going to hurt you. A bit gross, but that's it really. That's all. Just go over that. And yeah. Just get your fingers in there and really feel. You want to get as much space as possible, so you get as much garlic in as possible. That's when you've done a really good chicken Kiev. I'm usually a bit paranoid about going all the way. I think this is a good pocket. This is alright. You just do it a bit down. There we go. You just got this part. Do be like that sometimes. Look plain, it's extra chicken. Do the same this, find the thickest part of the chicken, put your knife in there. And just feel your fingers. Is there more space? Can you go deeper? Yes, I can. And that's pretty. This is like the hardest part of the chicken Kiev. Everything else is just, you know, basic food stuff. It really it's really fascinating that, you know, there's not a lot of people, you know, do this sort of thing, do this level of cooking when it's pretty easy. That's why I hope this video is really cheap. I think that's just to be out here. Let's ready for the stuff in there. Okay, what we do is get your spoon and just combine the butter with the parsley and garlic. It smells incredible. Hopefully you do this so you can just appreciate the smell. Okay, so now the garlic butter is ready and we could put that inside the chicken. So you just take some butter and just really push it in there. You've made all the space, now you use it, you know. Really don't forget to wash your hands as well. Very important. You do not want to touch this and then do touching pretty much anything else, because yeah, like I said, you can get food poisoning. Unless you want food poisoning, which you do not. So yeah, just don't be afraid of chicken. Those people just, oh, it's chicken, I don't want to touch raw meat. Just do it. Toughen up. Be beta. Yeah, I always do too much. You could probably just half all of this, or even third it. Like, I always overcompensate, but better safe than sorry. So yeah, that's enough. Just try and close it if you can, but just close it as best you can. And yeah, now these are ready for this stage of the thing. If you want to be an absolute food nerd, you can call this pain anglaise, but no one calls it that. This is just using eggs to stick breadcrumbs. So what you want to do is put the flour and put this in the flour. Turn it around. Roughly. Make sure you spread it out so you can just get it with well. Coat the flour. Next, you want to coat it with the egg. After that, you can just put it in the breadcrumbs. Some alternatives to what I'm doing. You can stuff this with bacon. It goes Very nice. I've never done it before, actually. I think I've done it before. It's good. Just stuff with bacon. It's just lovely. Another alternative, you don't have to do breadcrumbs. You don't have any breadcrumbs. When you have bacon, you can wrap it in bacon, and it's equally as good. The main part is just the garlic butter, because that is what gives it its flavour. And if you're worried about like the butter falling out or something, what you can do is you can just do this. You can just dip it in the egg again, dip it in the breadcrumbs again. But I'm not going to do that because here is alright. Let's do the same with the other one. Maybe just turn the pan on now. Could you do that for me, please? Obviously, if you're doing this by yourself, you have to wash your hands then, and heat on, then go back and wash it. Just do it on 4. Medium heat, medium to high. And the egg. Nice Chicken Kiev. And then in the breadcrumbs. Oh dear, I think I see the brown. Better than that. I'll just really matter with shorten the breadcrumbs. They are not the main attraction. Yeah, these are ready to go in the pan. I'm just going to wait for the oil to heat up and then I'll show you that. Alright, so the oil's heated up, so now let's place our Chicken Kiev. Beautiful. Let's just push that chicken. Push that garlic butter, so in there you go. That's going to take a while to cook on that side. You like 4 minutes each side, I think, until they're brown, like basically. So this is a good time to just tidy up stuff. You never want to just stand still whilst you're cooking. You always want to be doing something, you know. Don't record me. Let's just see if this is well done. Get it. Yeah, actually, yeah, that's right. Use. Can't beat this. Can't beat this. Just the smell. I just want to eat right now. No, can't. Like I said, we don't want anyone's getting sick. Yeah. Just pause there. Alright, let's see the other side is done. Beautiful. Nice and brown. So the other side, that is ready to go into the oven. Do not record that. Which side of the garlic butter? That side. This is not on the visually appeasing side. Alright, these are ready to go in the oven. Just put them over 10 minutes and they'll be done. Use the oven. Alright, I've just taken it out of the oven. I think much of the butter juice is leaked, but if the butter juice that has leaked, it's just going to sit there and reabsorb it, and yeah, it's going to be very nice. Hang on, that's quite keep going. So yeah, just put the chicken. And do I get a close up? That's the what we've been waiting for. Oh, beautiful. Can you see that? Look at that. That is a chicken Kiev. Thank you for watching, guys, and yeah, have fun trying this.